So with crypto about to explode again on its next leg up and meme coins set to make new all-time highs, I think that an influx of funds is going to come back into the crypto market, and you're thinking it might be a good idea to start looking at deploying and launching your own token. But with stats like this, where last month 1.1 million tokens were launched on Pump.fun and only 11,900 actually even graduated, how can you get your project noticed? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way that you can launch your own token in just 3 steps. And I've found a bot that allows you to launch your own token, bundle it, and give you the best chance of getting it off of Pump.fun and onto Raydium. So welcome back guys, I'm Ali and this is the Simply Blockchain channel. I do content on crypto, DeFi, everything blockchain, but recently I've been doing a lot of videos on Telegram trading bots and how to make your life easier in the meme coin space. So if any of that sounds good to you, then I would really appreciate a subscribe and a like on this video. But today, like I said, we're going to be talking about how to launch your own meme coin and how you can do it as easy as possible, bundle the supply, and the bot is even going to give you some help to try and get it off of Pump.fun. So if that sounds like something you want to do, then strap in because we're going for it now. So step 1 is going to be finding a narrative or finding a meme that you think will do well. Now, in my opinion, there's 2 types of meme coins. One is something that's narrative driven and it's in the news already. Now, examples of this would be something like an Elon Musk tweet or a Donald Trump tweet where Elon will talk about something stupid and then tweet something, and then that tweet alone is enough to push the narrative of your meme coin if you're quick enough to launch it. Obviously Donald Trump, we've seen him talk about stuff on his Twitter, and people are quick to make meme coins on these topics, and what that does is going to give you a good head start in marketing your token already because they're heavily talked about topics. Now, the second type of meme coin I'm talking about is something like a cartoon character or a dog or a cat that isn't necessarily in the eyes of people already. Now, in my opinion, these tokens need a lot more work by the community. They need a lot more work by the developer. And what typically happens is you need a big community to form around the token or around the meme in general for then the price to start increasing in value. Now, these can be a bit of a slow grind and these can take a little bit longer to get off the ground and get the ball rolling. But if you can get in good holders and good floor holders, good community members, then what it means is over time your token is gonna absolutely send because the supply control is massive. You've got a huge cult forming around the token with people that aren't interested in selling, and the token absolutely moons. What typically happens is with number 1, where Elon tweets, the token doesn't typically last that long. There'll be a pump throughout the day or 2 days, and then when Elon moves on to something else and starts talking about something else, then your token obviously gets taken away from the limelight and everybody moves into something else. However, with number 2, because you're building a community, you're building a narrative around your meme, around your community, then you can continue to push and continue to market your product. So now that you've got yourself a meme and you've got yourself a narrative, maybe you're going to wait for an Elon tweet, or maybe you've been designing your own. What we're going to do now is we're going to head over to Pump King Bundler and Launch Bot for Pump.fun. Now, this is a fantastic little bot that I found recently, and it's really good for launching a meme coin in seconds. So if you are waiting for an Elon tweet, then you can just quickly get your wallet set up, type in a bit of information and launch a token straight away, and hopefully it picks up traction from there. So now we're at the bot. Use the link in the description to get yourself to the bot. We're going to click on start and it's going to give you some information about what they do, guys. So as you can see here, you can launch a token, you can manage wallets, manage your subscription. You can they also have, which is why I think this is a very, very good bot, they've got a volume bot on the way, which is going to give you volume on your chart, and obviously more volume, more eyes. People are more likely to buy more of your token if the volume's good. But they've also got a bump bot coming, guys. Now, at the minute, these buttons take you to other bots, which I think is really good on the team's part to just add these features in. I've spoken to the team and they are working on these features. But what a bump bot is going to do is going to make small buys and very small sells on your chart on Pump.fun, and it's going to continuously knock your token to the top of the home screen of Pump. So it's going to be on more eyes on Pump.fun, and hopefully it's going to get you some more buys, and then obviously you can then graduate your token to Raydium. They also have a really good comment section, guys. So what you can do in this section is add comments. Now let's just say, for example, you've gone onto Pump.fun, you've seen a good meme, but there's no life on it at all. There's no volume on it, there's no comments, you're likely not even going to buy it. So with this bot, you can add comments to it. So let's just say we want to give it a few comments. So let's say base dev, easy sender, migrate this now. There's all sorts you can put on this, so we're just going to go through a few of these now. Based. So as you can see, we've added 4 comments. So now what you can do is, once you've launched your token, you can click the comment button and it will automatically send your comments to Pump.fun, so you can see some activity on your token, which is great for people looking to invest in your token because it shows some more activity on your token. But enough of the features, let's just get into launching a token. So we're just going to launch a test today. I'm not going to try and launch a $1 million meme coin for the video. It's just going to be a nice little test. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the bot. So let's just click wallets, and we're going to create a dev wallet. So as you can see, guys, it's given us a wallet and it's also given us a private key. Now what I always recommend you do is just add the private key to Phantom, and it will just mean that you can transfer money in and out of the wallet through Phantom rather than through the bot. It just makes it a lot easier. So that's the public key, which is your wallet address, and your private key for your bot. And we go next. We can now create a fund wallet. What this bot does is it bundles the supply of your token across multiple wallets. So you can have up to 24 wallets in your control that you can buy the token through. So let's just create a fund wallet. So as you can see, it's given us a public key and a private key. Again, I recommend you just add the private key to your Phantom. So guys, what we've done is we've created a dev wallet and we've created a fund wallet. So now what we want to do is we want to create the buy wallets, the wallets that are going to be used to bundle and buy our token as soon as we launch it. So we'll click wallets and then we'll click create buy wallets. So as you can see, it's given us an option here. So you can generate a number of wallets depending on how many wallets you want to use. And they allow you to use from 1 to 24 wallets. So in this example, I'm just going to use 4 wallets. I don't need 24 wallets. So as you can see here, we've successfully created 4 new buy wallets. You can check their information in the wallet manager. So this is it, guys. This is where you can distribute your funds from one wallet to another. So let's just go and top up our fund wallet and top up our dev wallet, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so as you can see now on the screen, we've just funded the wallets that the bot gave us. So as you can see here, our fund wallet now has 0.5 Solana, and our dev wallet has just under 0.5 Solana. So now what we want to do is we want to distribute our tokens to all our buy wallets. So now what we're going to do is you're going to come down here to distribute to buy wallets. So now we're going to click distribute to buy wallets, and we are going to go to the bottom and we're going to say we want to distribute all of our Sol, which is 0.5, to all of our wallets. It's going to show us here how much of the Sol is going to be sent to all the different wallets, and we'll just click confirm. Please wait, send in, boom, and it's gone. So as you can see now, our distributed to buy wallets is now changed, and we've got 0.49 Solana in all of our buy wallets. Fantastic. So our fund wallet is now gone to 0, and all of our other wallets are now sharing that 0.5 Sol that we've asked to send. So what we're going to do is we're going to click launch, and we're going to sit and create a new token. We're going to now give it a name. As you can see here, earlier I was just testing around. So we're going to give it a name. Obviously Ronaldinho has just launched a token, which is why I was testing. So let's just give it a Ronaldinho name. STAR10 star 10, because that's the name of his meme. Enter. We're going to reuse the ticker, but let's just put in here star 10 again, STAR10, and we're going to use the description Ronaldinho on Sol. As you can see, guys, I got an image earlier just of Ronaldinho's token. So what we're going to do, we're going to just copy this, what we've used earlier. I just got a Google off. I just got an image off of Google to reuse. So let's just reuse this. Reuse the Twitter link. Now what I did do, guys, is if you go over to Twitter So obviously now I'm on Ronaldinho's Twitter account. Now no one's going to buy this. I know they're not going to buy this because obviously he's already posted his Twitter. He's already posted the contract address here, which is why I'm using it as an example. But what you can do is if Elon Musk tweets or Donald Trump tweets and you want to get ahead of this, you can obviously copy the link to the Twitter account, go back to the bot and use this as an example. So it's now asking us to give a Twitter link for the token. So what you can do is obviously create a new Twitter account and you can use that as the hub of your meme coin. Obviously, because the token that we're using is a tweet, like I said, Elon Musk could tweet, Donald Trump could tweet, could be any tweet. You can just put the Twitter link to the tweet down below. Memes do typically or can take off quite quickly if you're quick to push this out. Obviously, like I said to you earlier, if you were using example number 2, then what you would do is you would set up your own Twitter account, set up your own Telegram group, and set up your own website and give it those links. However, because this is a demonstration on a quick narrative like a Ronaldinho meme coin launch, for example, or an Elon tweet or a Donald Trump tweet, then what we're going to do, we're going to just take the links to their Twitter and put them in the bot. And so every time now when someone clicks on the Pump.fun, it's going to take them to our Twitter link. So as you can see here, it's asked us for a Telegram link for our token. Now, like I said, if you're using number 2 example, then you would set up your own Telegram for your own meme project rather than using something for Twitter. But again, because we're using this Ronaldinho example, we're just going to put the same Twitter link in here. And again, ask us for a website. Exactly the same thing, guys. If you use number 2 example, then you'd probably have your own website. But again, you could use a Wikipedia page, you could use any website link. I'm going to use the same Ronaldinho tweet and click send. And now as you can see, guys, we've got a name, a symbol, which is the ticker, a description, which is Ronaldinho on Solana, Telegram links, Twitter links, website links, they're all the same links, but you can obviously put in whatever you want to put in on these. Buy plan, total 0.75 Sol we're going to buy from wallet EK8. From wallet buy 1. So the dev wallet's going to buy 0.379 Solana. These here, buy wallet 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the buy wallets that we set up earlier. Obviously, guys, you can have up to 24 wallets here, and if you don't want to use just one Solana, which is what I've used, then you can use 50, 60, 70 Solana and really bundle this and really push it, and it will literally almost instantly migrate through Pump.fun. So what we're going to do, we're going to click confirm here, and as you can see, it's uploading the metadata, set bundles, and our token is now live, guys. So as you can see, bonding curve 6.4%. You can now watch the bonding curve. You can click refresh, and what that's going to do is going to continue to refresh the token page so you can see this live. But obviously this data is all live, guys. You can track your bonding curve through here. Now what's really good about this bot is you can sell the dev wallet alone or sell a certain amount of tokens from the bot itself. If you just want to get rid of everything in one fell swoop, then you just click sell all, and that will sell all the tokens you hold across your dev wallet and all 4 or 24 buy wallets that you've set up. So let's just do that now, guys, because I'm not going to run this project as a proper project. So we're just going to click sell all. So what we're going to do, we're going to just click sell all. As you can see, guys, boom, boom, boom. Tokens sold successfully. It's all gone. Tokens have been sold. And it says here, it even gives you a little P&L breakdown, guys. So as you can see here, I lost 0.0009% on this, which is like less than 1%. But obviously, because I'd only had it running for 1 minute, they were just transaction fees that I lost. But obviously, if you're pushing this and you're doing it properly as a proper launch, then you won't come across this issue. I've seen some of these guys in the Pumpkin group that have made 500, 600, 700% quite easily within 10 or 15 minutes. Obviously, if the narrative of the token, like it's a fresh Elon tweet, then you could quickly, all you need to do is make sure that all your wallets are set up and ready to go, and you've got some Solana already distributed throughout your wallets. You just grab his Twitter link, take a quick screenshot of his display picture on Twitter, and just paste all the information in, and I can almost guarantee you get traction on that pretty much straight away, because everyone will be looking for some sort of launch. Everybody looks for an Elon tweet, and then once an Elon tweet goes out, everyone goes straight to Pump.fun and starts looking for tokens that have launched. So if it's clean enough and you're quick enough, then I can almost guarantee that you'll probably send this straight to Raydium within 20 minutes or so. But as you can see, guys, we're now done, we're now sold. We can now transfer all profits to our wallet, enter the destination wallet. We're just going to give it the wallet that we distributed and sent the funds from. So we'll just send that now. This is the wallet that I want to send the funds back to. I've verified that I have control over this address, which I do. Preparing the withdrawal. And that's it, guys. All the money now, as you can see, all the balances have gone to zero. Distributed wallets have gone to zero. Dev wallet's gone to zero. So everything has now been sent back to that wallet. And you can rinse and repeat, go again. If you want to click here, reset wallets. Wallets have been successfully reset. Perfect. So now what you can do is you can just go to wallets again and start creating new wallets, guys. So create a new dev wallet, and that's going to give you a completely different wallet. Again, click next, create a fund wallet. It's going to give you a new funding wallet, and then create a new buy wallet. So as you can see, it's now created all the new wallets all over again, and you can rinse and repeat this transaction or this process as many times as you want. So what I highly recommend you do, guys, is go to start. Now, this bot, because it is so good and it is so powerful, it does have a subscription. Now, this is your subscription wallet address. This is how you fund your subscription. But what I highly recommend you do is it's going to give you an option for 1 week or a lifetime. Now, realistically speaking, if you're going to launch a meme coin, you're probably going to have a few errors and a few mistakes. It's not going to go well the first couple of times. So you're going to need to keep doing this. However, if you are waiting for an Elon tweet to come out and you're ready to go, you've funded all your wallets, then I highly recommend you sign up for a lifetime. Now, with the link in the description below, you're going to get 10% off regardless. And I think they're also doing a bit of a deal at the minute, and I think everything's half price. So I would highly suggest you just do the lifetime bundle. And what this means is it's going to continuously keep your account alive. So next time an Elon tweet does come out, or a Donald Trump tweet does come out, you don't have to worry about trying to sign up to the bot to bundle it and to send it and to launch it. You can just go straight away. You can have a Telegram group already set up, ready to go. You just give it a new name. You make sure you grab the Telegram group link and add it to the bot. It's going to be super easy, guys, but you're not going to be able to do that unless your subscription is still live. So if you want to just play around with it, then maybe just sign up for a month and just see how you get on with it. Play around with it a little bit just to see how easy it really is. If not, then I do recommend you just pay for the lifetime, and it's always going to be there, guys, whenever you need it. If something crazy happens, then you're ready to launch almost straight away. So guys, this is obviously just a demonstration. I don't expect you, or I don't want you to just launch a meme, bundle the hell out of it, push it for 10 minutes and then just rug it. This is not what the video is about. Obviously, it can be used for that, but I do not recommend it whatsoever. You guys should not be rugging tokens. You should not be bundling the supply and just pulling the plug on it after 10 minutes. But yes, it can be used for that. I do not recommend it though. I thought that this video would be really good for you guys if you are looking and you are serious about launching your own meme, and you are serious about pushing it and being the dev with $1 million meme coin. Then this bot is exactly what you need. It gives you comments, it's got a volume bot, it's got a bump bot. There is no reason why you can't launch a legitimate project through this bot, make some serious money, and also be known as a Chad in your community with a goated token. But of course, there are obviously ways that you can pull the plug on this. As I showed you, you can sell all the tokens. So yes, it can be used as a nefarious tool, but that is not what this video is about, guys. So just be safe with it. But if this video was of any help to you guys whatsoever, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. Go check out the bot in the description below. I do all sorts of different Telegram trading bots, guys, on this channel. I run you through how to set up wallets, how to be safe, and how to do things the right way. So if this was any value, then I would really appreciate a like and a sub. And for that, guys, I'm out. Bye.